Hello and welcome to another video from erpvideos.com. In this video we are going to talk about the BW 7.4, 7.2 ABAP plus Java with BPC and business objects installed. This is a unique machine in many ways because it is a dual stack server. There's ABAP and Java installed. Initial setup is there in the README file. Very simple stuff. You have to set your IP address in the host file, and that IP address must match your local IP, and set your virtual memory. Because of transport download over the internet, we disable the page file. It comes like this, but just set up a number based on what you want to do. This is a virtual machine running on VMware. So just to give you an idea, this is real time. I've turned on the BI Java instance, ABAP and Java instance, because since it's a dual stack, it takes about 10-15 minutes to turn on, realistically speaking, depending on your hardware. So if you look at the ABAP tables, and then there's a Java process tables here, there should be 3 components there. Alright, so most of the stuff is going through the web to the browser, but let's take a look at the logon pad, and we'll take it a step at a time. SR2, and all the users and passwords are provided for you when you log in. And again, client 000 is open as well, and 001, which is a gold client. All passwords will be sent to you. This is just a quick look at okay, the license is installed in 2025 as a valid installation number, and these are the components that's installed. NetWeaver, and then there's a BI content, and this is the BPC, the HANA BPC, the adapter. If you have a HANA instance and you want to transport to a HANA, that's the HANA adapter. Everything else is really from the back end here. So all of the important links are saved for you. So let's go into the NetWeaver administrator page first, and I'll open the BO page, and I'll open the BPC login, all of them. Okay, so this is the NetWeaver administrator. Just log into your workspace. The username and password should be saved. Oh wait, this is the BPC, so BPC. Okay, and this is the user management for G2E, and this is the CMC. Again, CMC takes a bit of a time because it's the first time we're turning it on, and you can see the files. This is the BO platform. Okay. And the initials, since it's the first time we're running it, you will come up with the wizard, and it's a good idea to run the wizard for the first time so you can allocate your resources properly. I've closed the business CMC. The best thing to do is go from business intelligence platform, BO platform, and click on the CMC and enter your password. Okay, configuration plugin availability. So you have to enable Flash because it works on the Flash module still. Okay, operations, configuration, infrastructure. You can see all of the services that's available, and then SOA. Alright guys, so this is the Java, and this is the business planning, BPC, activities. Again, EPM adapter is there for Microsoft Office. I think Office is installed as well on this software. Office 2013 is installed, so Excel, the EPM add-in should be there, and also the Excel interactive Excel file is here as well. I don't know if Interactive Excel is installed. Interactive Excel is there. So everything is there, guys. It's just a matter of setting it up. So here's your EPM add-in. Okay. Let's log on from here. It's a consolidation, administration, system reports, document. So this is the initial configuration we said. I'm going to close it, and then these are all your, this is your CMC administrator information. Now if you want ECC IDES, it's not, we don't sell it together with this, mainly because it becomes too big of a download. So ECC can be easily connected again by just adding your ECC file into your host. So if you have a ECC server that is running on another IP, just put 10.10.10. Say 54 is ECC, you put ECC EHP 7.4vm.com. This is assuming you bought the ECC from us. So that's our ECC server name. Our ECC EHP 8 is 8, and they're all IDES versions. And then once you do this, you can then have that server available because it's running on localhost. It'll be incredibly fast. So that's the way you tag or add another device to your landscape. Simple as that. Then it's available for you to connect via your SM59 or through the panel. So that's it, guys. Any other questions, just email us and we'll take you from there. Thank you.